Yeah, I know, man. I'm late to this nature group, but I found them, so I'm gonna react to it right now. Hey yo, what's up, guys? Hey yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are good. Your boy's back, aka the donkey that cannot rap, and today, finally, we've been bringing back some more K-pop reactions. Lately I've been doing more like K-hip-hop reactions, but K-pop group has come, well, not really. It's been quite late. I'm quite late to this reaction, but this is a new group for me, so I don't really know much about anything. So if you guys know this group, it's Nature, and if you guys know this group, let me know in the comments. Everybody, all the members and all that, you guys are good with that, so let me know. And they have a song called I'm So Pretty. So this is not their first song, this is their second song, I believe, their second title track. So technically it's a comeback, but I didn't really check out their debut, so this is a debut reaction from me. So I think Nature, is it their name like that because is it Nature and Nature? I don't know, but I think it's cause like they're all like natural, like they don't have any plastic surgery or anything like that. That's what I think. So if you want to let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into it, but before I do, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. Where's my remote? Here it is. Okay. So another reason I want to check out this song is because, summer vibe. Because I just watched the MGMA performance from this group and Bindit, and very, and I was very intrigued by this group actually. So. Oh, it's more cartoonish effects. Oh, get them stereo dope. Oh, trumpet. Salad? Oh, someone's doing some YouTube. Did I even say what the name of the song was? Yeah, Bunto, let's get it, what up? I think that's like the main vocalist, right? The pink hair one. Let's go. So I know that this group has like Chinese members, Japanese members, and Korean members. So that's really the only thing I know. Forever Young, shout out to Blackpink though. Hey. Oh, they had a party now? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, everything's pink though. They were in all the same shoes. They got tails now, what the fuck? What the, are those swans? Oh, there's ducks. Why are there ducks? Wait, is it duck? Swan? I'm not sure. What the? Ow. For real? Salad, salad, salad. Salad. What? My love. That's the last part I got. Okay. First mini album. Yeah, so I think they also have come up with another song, like which was their debut song. And yeah, it says this is their comeback. So this was their comeback. So like I said, I don't know much about this group. I don't know what their debut song was like, but this one I could tell was definitely cute vibes and also very summery vibe, even though like the weather here where I'm living is been quite weird. It's been raining, but hopefully this song will make it sunny now. But yeah, the song is pretty much like a lot of those cutesy songs. Like there wasn't really much that really stood out to me. The only thing that I noticed was like, I don't know if this is like the group I was thinking of, because I heard about a group that was coming out or coming back or whatever, that like all the members have like no plastic surgery done, nothing done. But I don't know if this is the group or not, because it's nature, so I don't know if it's like, does that short for natural or like actual nature? So if you guys know in the comments, please let me know. And yeah, oh, and I think one of the names of the members was like autumn, like summer, but Korean, like autumn. So I think that's the only member I know, because I did look up their names before this reaction, but I didn't like really memorize them. So yeah, but that's really all I got. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like as well as subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, so this is the outro. If you want to check out more videos, click on the screen right now. And if you want to check out more videos, go to my channel and check them out. And while you're at it, subscribe right here.